Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about a budget-friendly but very interesting speaker from Amazon. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to make more reviews for you. Let's go. The speaker arrives in a compact box that protects it well during delivery. Everything inside is neatly fixed in place. Nothing moves around, and it's clear from the start that the manufacturer paid attention to details. The box is lightweight but sturdy, and it even works well as gift packaging. Inside the box you get the speaker itself, a charging cable and a manual. The model is extremely compact, it really fits into a pocket or a small backpack compartment. The body has a textured surface, a convenient carrying loop, and looks modern and clean. It's small but feels well built with no creaks or cheap plastics. It also comes in different colors, so it's easy to choose the one you like. The speaker supports Bluetooth and works completely wirelessly, making it easy to take anywhere. You can even listen to music without a smartphone. Just insert a memory card and the speaker will play tracks on its own. It has two passive radiators that boost the bass and give the sound more depth. The 10-watt output is impressive for such a small device, and even outdoors the speaker doesn't feel quiet. The speaker is lightweight, compact and pocket-friendly, so you can carry it with you every day. It sounds loud for its size, and the passive radiators help create a fuller sound. The memory card support is extremely convenient. The speaker works completely autonomously without a phone. The build quality feels solid with no looseness or squeaks. The battery lasts a long time, so you can listen to music throughout the day. Due to its compact size, the speaker can't produce very deep bass. It simply lacks the physical volume. At maximum volume, the sound can get a bit sharp, especially with heavy music genres. There's no water resistance, so it's better not to use it in the rain. And for larger groups, the power might not be enough. This is more of a personal use speaker. The Tronsmart Trip 2 makes a very strong impression as a pocket speaker. It's compact, convenient, and sounds much better than you'd expect from its size. It's great for walks, workouts, travel, or just everyday use. The memory card support makes it fully autonomous, and the dual passive radiators add extra depth to the sound if you need an affordable, portable, and versatile speaker from Amazon. This is an excellent choice that easily exceeds expectations. Thanks for watching this review till the end. If you found it helpful, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and motivates me to make more Amazon tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which speakers or gadgets you want to see next. See you in future videos.